Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to quickly add files that have been shared with you to your starred section in Google Drive, making it easier than ever to access your most important documents and folders. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find it in your device's App Store. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Shared tab. This is where you'll see all the files and folders that others have shared with you, whether for collaboration, review, or quick access. Scroll through your shared items and find the file or folder you want to star. Next to each item, you'll notice 3 dots. This is the More Options menu. Tap on these 3 dots to open up a list of actions you can take with that specific file or folder. From the menu that appears, select Add to Starred. That's it. The file or folder is now added to your starred section. This section acts like your personal favorites list in Google Drive, so you can easily find and open your most used documents without searching or scrolling through long lists of files. To access your starred items at any time, simply return to the main menu in Google Drive and tap on Starred. Here you'll see everything you've marked as important, whether it's a document, a spreadsheet, or a shared folder. This feature is especially helpful if you're working on multiple projects or need quick access to files that are updated regularly. Remember, you can add or remove items from starred whenever you like. If a file is no longer important, just follow the same steps and select Remove from Starred. Keeping your starred section organized ensures you always have your key files right at your fingertips. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to add shared files to starred in Google Drive, helping you stay organized and productive every day. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.